Safar's Toy Review. Welcome to Safar's Toy Review. And today's vlog I will play with, it is Hot Wheels.
It is a Hot Wheel Action Drop Down Challenge.
Yeah, and that is an awesome game. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below and give me a big thumbs up. And now, let the fun begin. And keep subscribing and share love because I'm heading to 10,000 subscribers and I almost have 6,000. And now, let the fun begin. Hey guys, I opened this now. Look at this awesome track. I got the hiccups. See?
Okay. Yeah, that's cool, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this is really cool track, huh?
Yeah, and this thing needs to be hooked.
Okay, let's show. Okay. Yeah, this needs to be hooked. This is like this. Yeah.
Hook. Right here. Right here from the inside, it's hooked. It's screwed.
Yeah.
Right here.
Okay. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh! I don't know which one won.
Oh, me know it. We'll find out.
Oh, the green one.
Green one went?
Yeah, because this one.
Oh, it didn't even pull that right.
This one flew out.
Oh.
Go under. Go right here.
So let's pick which color you want it.
I want to be
Which color?
green.
You want to be green? Okay, then I'll take a blue one. Okay.
Now
Yeah.
let's play.
Yeah. This one either one person can play too, but or other ball. So,
Yeah, okay.
but because it's come same time. Okay.
Yeah.
So ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Wow! Oh!
It was a tie.
It's a tie. Yeah. Okay.
You won.
Okay. Let's see.
Hey guys, it was so close. Now let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Oh! I don't know which one won.
It is so awesome, so quick, huh?
Yeah. Hey guys, now let's do it again. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh yeah! I won! Oh yeah! I won!
Okay. Oh my God, that's okay. We'll play last time and see who's gonna win. Okay. Okay, we'll see.
Ready? 3, 2.
Oh! Oh, no, it's already 3 rounds. Yeah, 2. Yeah, one was probably tie, but 2 times you win. So basically, you are the one winner, actually.
I'm gonna get this prize then. Hey guys, I'm opening it. Oh yeah, you're funny.
Okay.
Let's put it right here. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
What is that?
It's a carrot.
Oh, it's a carrot. Okay.
His name is Dandy.
Dandy. Okay.
It's a backpack clip. Hey guys.